Alright, so now it's time to place the muffler. Okay, just discovered earlier, sorry, that these joints over here were too tight, so I couldn't place it inside, so I have to open them up with a screwdriver. I have to leverage here and open the connections here. Those are the tricks that you learn. So anyway, hopefully that will work. And before you place the thing, place the muffler, this thing, which is a ring, pressure ring, you will have to go inside here. So I'm just gonna put it in here, okay, or here, okay. All right. So for that, to tighten that up, you need a Allen key number 5. So let me loosen it up a little bit. So oops, I don't want to lose that. I don't want to lose that. So those are the things that you learn when you haven't done these things before. So okay, all right, let me tighten up a little bit. Okay, so okay, there it is. Okay, so let's place it. See if I can actually do it. This has to go outside. See, there you go. Okay, see, now it goes inside. Okay, now I don't know if it has to go all the way down or not. That's the problem. I'm just gonna try a little bit more. Okay. Be careful with that. Okay, seems like this thing is much as you can go. Okay, so this thing, I'm gonna tighten it here. We'll tighten this up later. How is it looking, Pepe? It looks straight. See, this will go up here. Okay, how does it look? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so the next step, I guess, is with this big knob. Okay, which has a big washer, small washer, and a screw here, and a knob, sorry, another washer. Probably this will go here. So the thing we're gonna do, and now we have this ring here. Okay, so we're just gonna take the stickers out a little bit. It says S. I don't know what S means, but I guess that's, you put it here like this. Okay. I have to hold it that way. So I don't know if this big thing has to go here. Let's see. Let's test this thing. I think if I go this way, okay, the thing is, we'll have to find out. Okay, it's outside the other way. Okay, great. Let's put the washer in and put the knob, hopefully without dropping the washer. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now I guess we have to tighten that up. So okay, so let's find out the next step, which is to tighten this up. So okay.